ATD Tools, 15-piece no-spill funnel set. The set comes with various adapters, caps, elbows and extensions, a fluid stopper, a 2-quart transparent funnel, and a lid. It is ideal for finishing a radiator flush, an engine flush, or coolant pressure testing. Please visit our website to view the vehicle application chart found inside the owner's manual. The funnel allows you to easily refill automotive cooling systems without spilling any fluids. It has a near universal fitment for most vehicles. It also eliminates trapped air pockets which can affect the cooling system and heater performance. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of ATD products, please visit atdtools.com.